used to follow brokers' recommendations, and that time I was not so confident.
How was it? How was the course videos? Was it easy, learnable? Share your experience about that.
I have taken position after the course. I have taken position few IT stocks, FMCG, banking, real estate, and those have given good returns.
Please share about your masterclass experience, because every Wednesday we are meeting for masterclass evening 8 o'clock.
And I have seen that your course it has been restructured in such a way that in a very simple manner we can learn something. We can get some knowledge before selecting a stock. And another thing I should mention, that I had no idea of contrarian investing, and that is very unique thing in your course. And I have followed that contrarian investing in my stock picking, and I have benefited a lot.
And what are your financial goals right now? You after learning through it, and what are your financial goals? Anything which you can say? Do you think financial freedom is possible by investing in stock market?
Only two things, according to my opinion, only two things are necessary. That is, number one, knowledge, and number two, patience. This is very nicely, these structures. You learn the basic things and you will get confidence before investing. It is useful both for newcomers as also for those persons who are in stock market for long time also.
So welcome everyone. This is one more success story from our Stockathon contest, where people pick stocks by themselves and they are able to enjoy the returns out of stock market. And today we have Mr. Animesh from Kolkata, where he joined a couple of months ago, but still he's able to learn and he's still a valuable member in our community. Let's get the introduction. Welcome, Mr. Animesh. So please introduce yourself and what you do for your life.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Dr. Animesh Ghosh. I am basically a doctor and my specialty is pathology. I work in a hospital and also I work as consultant in some sector, some private hospitals also.
Okay, thank you so much. And you are busy, and you're as a doctor you would have been very busy all through these years. Are you already investing in stock market, and what is your experience before joining the course?
Since 10 years I have been doing stock market, and so long I used to follow brokers' recommendations, and that time I was not so confident and I was lacking knowledge. I blindly followed their recommendations, and also I have done some mistakes also. And I have also invested through mutual fund also into stock market, and also directly into stock market.
Okay. Got it. Super. So you are already there, and you joined the course, and it has been few months. How was the course videos? And by now you would have watched most of the course videos. How was it? How was the course videos? Was it easy, learnable? Share your experience about that.
Course video, it is beautiful, and the transmission is good, sound clarity, everything is good, sharing screen, everything is good, and most importantly it is interactive session, so that the participants can ask questions, and we can also interact through Facebook and WhatsApp, and we can share our different ideas regarding stock market, and it is very useful. Some of the ideas I have used in my stock picking.
Okay.
And it is nice. Overall, the course schedule is very nice. I've enjoyed it also.
Super. Nice to hear that. And you mentioned you implemented something. Can you mention the success, what you got after implementing those course videos? Like any success you learned and then you implemented? I mean, stock picking, and what was the success?
Yeah. The most important thing, I got confidence, which I was lacking before joining the course. I had no idea how to approach. I blindly followed the broker's recommendations and used to take position. But now at least I can myself analyze fundamentally. I can analyze the stocks
Okay.
and study, and after that only I can I enter the stock market and take position. I use some of the websites and follow last 5 years, 10 years data. I have also subscribed one or two magazines, and those are very nice. I sometimes when I get time, I read those, and mostly I follow Money Control and Screener and Trendyline. Those are very beautiful. All the data are there, and I've taken position after the course. I've taken position few IT stocks, FMCG, banking, real estate, and those have given good returns. And now also I am on profit.
That's a great thing to hear, because seeing profit, that is a great thing to hear, because most of the time we enter and the stock will go down. This was a question most of the people used to ask me, why it happens to me alone. So thank you for the sharing that success. And please share about your masterclass experience, because every Wednesday we are meeting for masterclass evening 8 o'clock. So how was the masterclass experience for you?
See, stock market is a vast subject, and I have seen that your course it has been restructured in such a way that in a very simple manner we can learn something. We can get some knowledge before selecting a stock, and all the classes are very basic, and even students or persons, professionals who have minimum knowledge or even no knowledge can join the course, and they can learn a lot. And the most important thing, the interaction. We can share our ideas, and another thing is you can do yourself practicing the fundamental analysis. That is the most important. Only listening will not do anything. So unless and until you practice yourself, then only you can get confidence. And I have also analyzed so many stocks. Till now, it has become a habit.
Okay.
Before entering into stock, I go to Money Control, go to Trendyline and Screener. I see those in debt ratio, all these cash flow, all these ratios, and fundamental analysis. I do fundamental analysis. Then only I get some confidence. Then only even after following the broker's recommendation, I myself do my analysis.
That's a great thing to hear, because only when we get the conviction will stay long, and that is where you will see the great profits. I think you are being able to see it practically in the last few months. And have you been through any other stock market courses or learnings? Because people used to subscribe to so many things. And have you been through any other stuff earlier or learnings?
No. This is the first time I have joined your course. But after that, I have subscribed to few magazines, and also Money Control Pro. I have subscribed.
Yeah.
It is beautiful. And
yes.
A few magazines have also. And I regularly follow. Try to, whenever I get time, I go through these magazines. Those are very useful.
Exactly, because that helps us in understanding the current trend, and you can be relevant with the market conditions. Very true.
One magazine is Wealth Insight.
Yes,
it's very good. It's very good.
Yes, Wealth Insight by Dhirendra Kumar. He is in the market for more than 25 years, I think, and all the beautiful articles and everything are really
true. It's very good. I can gather some knowledge also.
Correct. And what is that one unique thing you felt about this course and support what you got here?
Yeah, the course is restructured very nicely. One thing, and everybody, I think everyone who has no knowledge or minimum knowledge can join the course and can become successful in stock market, I think. And another thing I should mention, that I had no idea of contrarian investing, and that is very, very unique thing in your course. And I have followed that contrarian investing in my stock picking, and I have benefited a lot according to the economic cycle, investment according to the economic cycle. That is very nice, and it has improved. It has helped me a lot.
Nice to hear, because this is what great people are doing it, and you just got kickstarted with that counter investing. Nice to hear. Thank you. And what are your financial goals right now? You after learning through it, and what are your financial goals? Anything which you can say during for the benefit of
Okay, financial goals to make a good lump sum for my retired life,
Okay.
and also to hand over to my next generation. And also, I am fond of traveling abroad, and
Okay.
that also requires lot of
Lots
funds,
of money.
so
Yes.
fun. So
Awesome. So lump sum corpus and everything, it means almost towards financial freedom. Do you think financial freedom is possible by investing in stock market over a period of time? It cannot happen immediately.
definitely, it's possible. Only two things, according to my opinion, only two things are necessary. That is, number one, knowledge, and number two, patience.
Okay.
If you have knowledge and patience, you can at ease you can make 15 to 20% return.
Okay. I think that's a great thing. Right now, people are finding it difficult to generate more than 5-6% in fixed deposit, and 15 to 20% is, I think, big for many people. And the more you stay, better is the returns you would have seen in your experience till now. And final question, and how strongly you will recommend this course to anybody, to anyone?
I strongly recommend all the viewers, please join this course. This is very nicely these structures. You learn the basic things and you will get confidence before investing. It is useful both for newcomers as also for those persons who are in stock market for long time also. And it will give confidence. And if we learn the fundamental analysis, we can easily choose few stocks from different sectors, and we can follow how to follow those stocks, how to restructure the portfolio, and how to follow the quarterly results. All these things are necessary, and I strongly recommend, please join this course, and you will definitely benefit it.
Thank you so much, Animesh sir, and thank you for coming on the video and sharing your learning experience also, and that will benefit for everybody who are still getting into stock market. They're finding it difficult. So thank you so much for coming online. And,
thank you also, and thank you
learning.
all the viewers.
Happy learning, happy investing, and all the best for your financial freedom as well.